Okay, same question. I would like to ask Iftikharul Islam from Chattogram, Bangladesh. Would you please go on your first question?
So at first, take my warm greetings, and who belongs to Muslim, take my salam, assalamu alaikum. So the question is, how do I spend my time by myself? Yes, I would say I start my day spending time by myself. As I'm an early bird, I get up early in the morning, and after my religious prayer, I go for a morning walk. And in the time, sometimes I go with my friends, and most of the time I go for a morning walk by myself alone. I go there and spend time in our locality in the park, and also not actually park, it's actually natural park. We call it a natural park. People from different villages come here in our area to spend their time in morning time and also evening time and afternoon time, as it has a nice view, and we can see the sun rises and also sunsets from there. So in this way I start my day spending time with myself. And also, yes, I also read books, fiction and non-fiction books. So that's why that time I also spend time by myself. And also sometimes I try to meditate, and in that time I just talk to myself. And it's actually I try to do meditation almost 3 4 days in a week before going to bed most of the time. So in this way
Mhm.
I spent time by myself. Thank you.
Yeah, great. You know, being early bird, it's really, really great things. And watching the morning scenario, it's really awesome. And, just watching the rising sun, the fog of the gray. So it looks really amazing. So I can see Clover from Myanmar, if I do not mistake. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
So
Thank
what's
you
your
for
full
your
name?
question. Sorry?
What's
Yeah,
your
this
full name?
full name. Yeah, for
Yeah.
me, and this is my nickname in international. My full name is Nan Piu Piu Pui. I think it is very difficult to pronounce that one. Yes.
Uh, so may I call you Clover or
Yeah, it's
Clever?
okay. Clover. Yes, it's okay.
You are from Myanmar, right?
Yes, it's Myanmar. Near
Okay.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Near Thailand. Yes.
Okay. So do you spend your time by yourself? Please go on. The first question.
Yes, for that question, yes, mostly I spend most of the time with customers as I run my own business for that reason. And I also spend with my family and friends because I don't like being alone. Yes, but sometimes I need to be alone when I have to deep thinking. Yes, at that time I want to stay alone, but most of the time I spend my time with family, friends, and customers. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you're Ari.
Ari, Paul. Ari.
Okay. Okay, Ari. So do you usually spend your time by yourself, Ari, sister?
Yes, I usually spend my time. But sometimes if I'm very free, I used to watch the movie. But sometimes I spend my time by reading the book. Yes, as I am a student, also I'm learning, and sometimes I have to submit my assignments, and I have to prepare for my presentation too. Yes, I'm not have a free time much.
So most of the time
Yes,
you spend by yourself, right?
most of the time.
Okay, thank you. It's fine. I understand you. No problem. Okay, I'm going back to South Southern Africa